Welcome to Poloniex, one of the most versatile cryptocurrency platforms for trading, staking, and managing your crypto portfolio. This video will guide you step by step through the platform's key features. First, you'll land on the sleek homepage, where you'll see a summary of market trends, the latest trading pairs, and your account balances. The intuitive interface ensures you can find everything with ease. We'll start by exploring the sign-up process. Click on the Sign Up button in the top right corner and enter your email, create a strong password, and verify your account through a confirmation link. Once registered, you'll gain access to your dashboard, which is the central hub for managing your funds and trades. Next, we'll dive into deposits. Navigate to the Wallet section to deposit your desired cryptocurrency. Poloniex supports a vast array of coins, including Bitcoin, Ethereum, and USDT. Simply click on the currency you wish to deposit, copy your wallet address, and send the funds from your external wallet. Deposits are quick and secure, ensuring you're ready to trade in no time. For trading, head to the Trade tab. Here, you'll encounter a detailed interface featuring real-time charts, order books, and trade history. Select your preferred trading pair, such as BTC/USDT, and use market or limit orders to execute your trades. The platform also offers advanced trading tools for experienced users, including margin trading and perpetual contracts. Did you know that your USDTs can generate passive income? With the Nexo platform, it's easy. Just transfer your USDT to Nexo and start earning up to 12% APR with daily accruals. This is the perfect way to make your crypto assets work for you. Sign-up link and bonus for new users is in the description. Additionally, Poloniex offers staking options, allowing you to earn rewards on your idle assets. Simply go to the Earn section, choose the asset you wish to stake, and start earning interest. Poloniex provides clear metrics on your earnings, helping you maximize your crypto returns. Poloniex's security features include two-factor authentication and withdrawal whitelists, ensuring your funds remain protected. The platform also provides 24/7 support to assist users with any questions or issues. Start trading with confidence today and unlock the full potential of your cryptocurrency journey. Remember to sign up using the link in the description to claim your bonus. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel and like the video for more crypto insights and tutorials.